I'm Louise Friel and my organisation is Desktop Genie. At the moment I'm running Excel training from introduction to advanced level. Well, apart from the basic or the advanced Excel skills, what I find most people gain from my courses is a confidence. They come to the course terrified of Excel, and they come away hopefully confident and aware of their abilities. I love the range of backgrounds and skills and experiences that people bring. Even though it's a techie topic, a lot of people have shared experiences, shared understanding of Excel or lack of understanding of Excel, and they can grow together with that and learn from each other, which I think is fabulous. Well, hopefully they'll come away knowing a lot more about Excel and hopefully understanding that actually their skills were a lot better than they thought they were, but hopefully feeling confident. And I aim to have people coming away at the very least being able to see how they could improve their work, but also potentially improve other people's work as well. Do you know, there's a couple of different things I can think of. Earlier in my career, the best piece of advice I was probably given was the harder you work, the luckier you get. And that doesn't really matter what field you're in, and I think that's definitely true, especially if you're starting out. But I would say the best piece of advice I could give now that I'm further on in my career is the ability to say no, and understand that saying no in the right way doesn't mean you're closing doors. It's just adding, applying a level of value to what you can offer. So you've got something to offer, you're not saying no now, you're not closing the door, but saying yes would really do nobody any favours. So being able to say no in a constructive way, I think, is really, really important. I think in the IT industry, things are changing so quickly that you have to keep yourself abreast of everything that's going on between cloud computing and how we store data, etc., data analytics and so on. But from just a general perspective, the different generations learn differently, they communicate differently, so we have to be aware of everybody in the workplace and how we can all work together collaboratively, successfully and so on. And that's a learning journey for everybody in every walk of life. I wouldn't have a book or a particular person, but I do personally find that my family, and especially my sisters who I talk to on a daily basis, are a real supportive network for me. I have one particular sister who, if I've ever got an idea or a thought or something that I'm going to try, I'll always go to her, because even if it's a rubbish idea, she'll always come back and go, good idea, but here's a better way to do it. So it has to be somebody who's positive and is not going to shoot you down. So you choose the people who are going to help you in your journey, I think is important. They always say the food and the handouts are always good. People love scones, they love good lunch, and they love the handouts, but really I think it has to be something relevant, and it has to be something that people can learn from other people's experiences as well. So some sort of collaborative experience I think is really important. You might not know that I'm actually a downhill mountain biker, and I have a Facebook channel, a YouTube channel and an Instagram channel under the name of Old Lady on a Mountain Bike, if you want to check that out.